Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to talk about top 5 freelance skills which you should learn in 2022. These are the high paying skills and you can earn a decent amount through freelancing if you are working on these skills. And in the end, I will also show you the top 10 most in demand skills on Upwork in 2022. So, first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so you don't miss out on my future videos. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. The first freelance skill is WordPress. WordPress is a free and open source content management system which is written in PHP and paired with MySQL and MariaDB databases. This is a tool which you can use to build websites. WordPress includes features called plugins and themes, etc., through which you can build your websites easily. And this WordPress skill is most in demand in 2022 because 40% of the websites on the internet are built on WordPress. So this is a huge skill and most in demand skill on the freelance marketplaces as well. So if you are considering to start freelancing, then I would recommend you to learn these skills. All right, now let's go to our next skill, which is called SEO. SEO is called search engine optimization. It means the process of improving your site to increase its visibility when people search for your website. Search engine optimization is also most in demand skill as a freelancer. So there are many businesses, startups which can hire you as a SEO expert so you can improve their performance, their website's performance and their rankings, etc. So this is the most high demand skills which you can learn. All these skills you can learn from Udemy and you can learn these skills from YouTube also. And you can learn these skills for free. Alright, now let's go to our next skill which is called graphic design. Graphic design is a craft where professionals create visual content to communicate messages. You can use different tools for graphic design and there are many tools available, for example Adobe Photoshop. And for SEO, there are also many tools which can help you in search engine optimization rankings. I have discussed those all tools in the detail in the previous video. You can check that out. That is attached with the iCard. Alright, now let's go to our next skill, which is called video editing. So, video editing is also one of the most in demand skill. You can learn video editing in just 2 weeks. This is a easy skill which you can learn. You can learn it for free and you can create your profile on Fiverr and then you can offer your services as a video editor. So there are many tools out there for video editing, for example Premiere Pro, Filmora, DaVinci Resolve, etc. And the best part about this video editing is you can do the video editing from your mobile phone also. You don't have to buy an expensive computer or PC, etc. You can do it from your mobile phone. All right, now let's go to our next skill, which is called content writing. So, content writing is the best process of planning, writing, and editing web content. So, there are many companies out there which can hire you as a content writer, so you can write content on their website and you can write articles on their website. This is a easy skill, I think. You can offer your services as a content writer on different freelance marketplaces such as Fiverr and Upwork, and these skills pay you well. For example, on Upwork, content writers usually charge $20 to $40 per hour, so you can charge decent amount if you have a content writing skill. Now let's see the top 10 most in-demand skills on Upwork in 2022. This is the article published by Upwork.com. You can see the top 10 most in-demand tech skills. Alright, the number one is web design. Web design means website building, etc. And on the second, it is WordPress, then web programming, then JavaScript, CSS, HTML, PHP, Shopify, API, and graphic design. Top 10 most in demand tech skills on Upwork. Now you can see the top 10 most in demand marketing skills. So the number one marketing skill is social media marketing. Then there is lead generation, then Facebook, SEO, then B2B marketing, Instagram, marketing strategy, social media management, email marketing, and marketing research. So these are the most in demand marketing skills. Now there are top 10 most in demand customer service skills. This is the number one customer service skill is customer service, then customer support, email communication, phone support, email support, communication, online chat support, answering product questions, data entry, administrative support. So these are the most in demand 30 skills which you can learn to earn decent amount of work. You can learn all these skills from YouTube for free. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.